The first filter that we're going to have a look at is grep. Now, grep is a reasonably powerful program. You've probably used it before in some simple way. I'm mainly showing you grep in this particular chapter so that I can show you what a regular expression is, but that's next. So first let's have a look at the simple usage of grep. In its simplest form, it simply displays lines of text from its input that contain a certain pattern. Recall that its input will either be from the keyboard or from another file, or it will be from another program. So you can actually rephrase that in another way. It removes lines of text from its input that do not contain the pattern. That, I guess, would be a more accurate definition of its processing. And because it does that, you can say that it actually filters out these lines of text. So grep is, I guess, the classic filter, in the sense that it is a filter that actually does filtering. You've probably seen it in action before, but I'll show you its usage at the moment. You simply specify a pattern that you wish to search for, and then you can optionally specify the files that you want to look in to find that pattern. Now, of course, if you don't specify any files, then it reads that information either from another program or from the keyboard. For example, you might want to look for the word sincerely in all the files that end in .txt. Alternatively, you can simply take the output of the Who program and pipe it to grep and maybe search for the word root, which would of course just show you all the instances of where root is logged in. Now, as short as it may be, that is in fact the end of this module, but that's not all I want to say about grep. We'll actually be looking at grep in considerably more detail in the module, because the real power of grep comes through its use of regular expressions. So I need to explain to you what a regular expression is and then show you how grep actually uses those regular expressions. So let's do that now.